Hello, in this video I will show you how you can power off your POCO F7. So if you are holding this power button over here, you are getting Gemini or the Google Assistant. So what you can do in this situation? Open the settings and go to the additional settings. Now go to gesture shortcuts and here launch digital assistant. Open it and turn it off by clicking this switcher. So I am holding power button right now and again nothing happens. So go back and go to the power off or reboot. And here is the selection of the press the button and volume up buttons to get the power off and or reboot section, or press and hold the power button for 0.5 second. So let's take this one, and now I am holding the power button, and as you can see I am able to power off the POCO F7 by simply swiping up from here. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.